Alright guys, and so I'll be doing the calculating sales tax or discounts. Step-by-step example on Mathia by Carnegie Learning. Read the scenario. How much does the fruit pellet cost without the discount? It says $13, so 13, and you can add .00 if you want. It's optional. And then any percent decimal form 0 point, and then 40. Well, not all of them, basically like 0 point then the number. And if it's one digit, you do it like that. It's great shiny PSA. In this case, it's 40, so we'll do it like that. Now, what's 13? I mean, you can actually do just this multiplication symbol here. It's like a little calculator. Well, you can only really do it in some cases, but it's still handy. What is the discount amount I calculate above? So we'll just grab that 5.20. How much is the base cost minus the discount amount? So we could do 13.00 minus 5.20. And that gets 7.80. An item's base cost represents 10% of the price, so subtracting 40% of it. What is the resulting percentage expressed as decimal? So we'll do 3.60. Oh, let's go. Oh, there you go. So it's 0.60 because, R minus 40 is 60. What's the factory calculated above, which is 0.6. And total cost. So as that multiplication symbol there, it's times that basically if you want to go down with like this with decimals, you do multiplication. Like I'm saying, it's like if it's like 0.6, if the first number is a 0, you do multiplication to go down. If it's a 1, you do divide. Yeah. Anyways, the end.